I firmly believe that your success on YouTube is not measured by going viral. 7 years ago, I uploaded my first video to YouTube. Alam mo yung feeling na para kang nabubunutan ng tinik? Finally, after 1 year of thinking about if I'm going to pursue about this YouTube thing or not. Kasi nung mga panahon na yun is hindi pa gaano uso yung pagiging YouTuber. So, nagdadalawang isip ako kasi baka i-judge ako ng aking mga family and friends. Oo guys, ganun kahaba yung decision making ko about being a YouTube content creator. Kasi creating video is not my thing and talking to the camera is not my skill. And also, I am an introvert type of person. Kaya hello sa mga ka-YouTuber ko dyan na isa ding introvert person pero kinakaya na magiging content creator. And about 150 videos later, I can say that YouTube has genuinely changed my life and my career. Even though, as I record this, I only have about 2,000 subscribers. So hello guys, thank you for your support. Maybe one day my YouTube channel will blow up and that would be great, 'di ba? Ganun pa man guys, YouTube has already made a substantial impact in my self-esteem, in my life, in my career, which gives me the courage to continue doing it as long as I can. Kung iniisip mo ngayon, kung magsisimula ka ba ng YouTube channel, I completely recommend doing so. The best time to start a YouTube channel was yesterday. The second time is now. Okay? Not later, not tomorrow, nor even not on the next month or next year. Because whether you get 1 million subscribers, or si mama mo lang, or si papa mo lang, or si boyfriend mo lang ang subscriber mo, in my case, si boyfriend lang yung subscriber ko. Because my mom and dad don't know about YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel will absolutely change your life for better. My goal today is to convince you of that, but to do so, I'm going to take you back to my childhood days. Since I grew up in a remote part in the Philippines, I didn't have access to technology. Doon sa amin guys, hindi uso ang electricity, lalong-lalong hindi uso ang smartphone sa panahon na yon. I'm just an ordinary girl in our town. But I really love drawing and writing. Goku and the Dragon Ball team is my favorite anime that I always wanted to draw. In my adolescence, I became acquainted with the feelings of embarrassment, shame, and rejection. And my childlike courage faded. Nawalan ako ng gana sa paggawa ng mga design, lalo na sa aking passion which is yung drawing. When I was in high school, I used to grumble whenever I was given an assignment that involved art, and I'd say I'm not that creative. In my college days, I realized na I cannot please everybody. Na merong mga bagay na nangyayari na beyond my control, na hindi ko kontrolado ang pag-iisip ng ibang tao. At saka sa tingin ko, the reason why my teenage self had a hard time expressing myself during that time is because I was living in the opinion of others. But YouTube changed everything. YouTube has been a huge part in my life, especially during college days because that's the time na nagkaroon na ako ng access sa internet because of my course na IT. Even before, bago ako nagiging content creator, ay talagang certified user na ako ng YouTube. Ang lagi ko lang pinapanood before, naalala ko, is yung music video ni Justin Bieber. Hindi halata na idol ko siya, di ba? And during that time, guys, nung first year ako sa college, I think that was 2009, YouTube vlogging is not that well known in the Philippines. I think vlogging became commercially lucrative in year 2016. And that's the time na nag-iisip pa ako na mag-YouTube ba or hindi. Naalala ko din sa mga panahon na yon, ang lagi kong pinapanood na vlogger ay si Kong TV at saka si Will Dasovich. Sa kanila ako nagkaroon ng inspirasyon para magiging vlogger. I watch my favorite YouTubers more than I watch TV. Now that I grew up, ang pinapanood ko kasi mostly ngayon sa YouTube is mga tutorials and mga tips. Seeing how much fun the creators were having making these videos made me want to play myself but I didn't. Dati naiinggit talaga ako sa mga vloggers. Iniisip ko talaga na sana all magaling magsalita sa camera, sana all may charisma pagdating sa camera, hanggang sana all lang talaga ako dati. Okay, fast forward to 2016 guys. I'm 24 years old na that time at doon ako nag-decide na I need to explore myself. I need to go out from my comfort zone. And then, naalala ko din na na-inspired ako dun sa isang seminar namin. Ang sabi kasi niya is that meron siyang vlog, which is travel vlog, B-L-O-G. And then, kumikita siya dun sa vlog niya while he travels. And I said to myself that it was a cool thing to do. Kaya gusto ko din na magiging ganun yung aking lifestyle. Pero paano? Mahiyain ako. But my creative juices just flowed out from nowhere. I started a travel blog. So, nag-start ako mag-vlog na aking mga travel. Though hindi naman ako madalas mag-travel. Pero mahilig ako magsulat. Kaya vlog muna yung inuna ko. Para lang magkaroon ako ng documentation sa aking mga travels. And then, dumating sa point na parang naubusan ako ng isusulat. Halos lahat ng sinusulat ko is dinidelete ko and then lagi ko siyang minumodify. And then parang iniisip ko na this is hard if ganun na lang lagi yung gagawin ko. And then, naisip ko na bakit na lang hindi video yung gagawin ko, diba? Kasi once ma-edit mo siya, ma-upload mo siya, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-edit. So, doon ako nagsisimula sa YouTube. Nagta-travel vlog ako. Lalo na nung nagpunta ako sa Manila to seek a better opportunity. And then, that time, gumawa din pala ako ng Facebook page where I post my photos and then my random thoughts lang din. Honestly, all this was just dipping my toes in compared to YouTube. It's really intimidating to be alone in your room, staring at the lens and talking to what seems like no one but everyone in the world at the same time is what I'm doing now. Most people are uncomfortable with it, but I've discovered that if you can sit through the discomfort, you will be rewarded by something invaluable. So, I'm reading this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, and there is one quote here that strike me the most. Actually, hindi siya galing kay Mark Manson, but a quote from Freud. I don't know how to spell it right. Pero sabi kasi dito sa quote, guys, one day, in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. Sa pagkaintindi ko dito sa quote niya, guys, yung mga paghihirap na naranasan natin, yung mga obstacles na na-overcome natin, and tsaka yung mga hardships that we endure, ay huhubugin niya tayo in a profound ways, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga personal growth. And this quote resonates so strongly with me in my YouTube journey. Because na-discover ko na the only way para magiging matapang ka, magiging matatag ka, ma-develop yung courage mo, ma-develop yung self-esteem mo, ma-develop yung self-confidence mo, at saka ma-develop yung skills mo, yung craft mo, is by taking an action. By doing the courageous thing of hitting record and uploading over and over, I've allowed myself the chance to practice and create better videos, which has greatly improved my confidence. The secret is that this self-insurance is not dependent on the result of the video. It is not dependent on whether I think the video is amazing or even a lot of people watch it. Rather, it is simply a natural result of the act of imaginative expression that comes from bringing myself out there, create videos, and recognizing that I have no control over the outcome. Dati sobrang paranoid ako kapag gagawa ako ng video. Kasi iniisip ko na maraming magba-bash nito, maraming magsasabi or meron talagang taong magsasabi sa akin na, "English ka pa, di ka marunong mag ganun, gano'n, ang pangit mong magsalita, ang pangit ng diction mo." Kasi I know in myself, I'm not good in English or I'm not good in speaking English. Matigas yung Tagalog ko. I'm from Cebu. Hi there mga taga Cebu. I know na makarelate kayo sa naramdaman ko, sa struggles na nararamdaman ko every time that I will create video. Kasi marami ang maja-judge, especially the way we speak, di ba? Kasi ang titigas ng dila natin when it comes to Tagalog, lalong-lalo na ang Tagalog. English, medyo okay tayo dyan. But for me, when I started, ganun talaga yung iniisip ko. But as time goes by, na gumagawa ako ng mga videos, unti-unting na-recognize ko yung sarili ko that I can say na wala akong control sa magiging outcome ng video at hayaan ko na lang na mag-comment sila kung ano man yung mako-comment nila sa akin. But on the positive side, meron at meron ding mga tao na magko-comment sa'yo para mag-improve ka sa iyong skills, 'di ba? But there are people na magko-comment sa'yo just to bring you down. And those people na magko-comment sa'yo to bring you down is I will just forgive and hayaan na lang sila kasi ganun talaga yung life or ganun talaga yung papel nila sa buhay ko. Sa ngayon guys, na-develop ko yung mindset na I don't really care how people will react to me and what the conclusion will be. It doesn't matter if I fail or succeed. This confidence has helped me in a lot of other aspects of my life and has made it possible for me to have more close and sensitive connections with others. It has inspired me to take more risk-taking actions in my profession and allow me to explore new things, new artistic mediums, and physical activities to better connect with my inner kid. Malaking tulong siya para sa akin guys para mas mahalin ko pa yung sarili ko, tanggapin kung sino man ako. And also, I have this personal growth na kaya ko nang makipagkwentuhan sa ibang tao, na ako yung naunang mag-approach. And also, natutunan ko din na tanggapin sa sarili ko na that I'm not a perfect person. And I didn't need hundreds of thousands of followers or subscribers just to learn that lesson. All I had to do was to post my content and share to the world with who I am, wherever I am, and what I am, and also share to the world with the places that I've been through in the past 7 years. And also, gusto ko din i-share sa mundo ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Whenever I sit down to edit my videos, I brace myself for how stupid or how awkward I am in the front of the camera, and especially the way I speak and the way my audio sound sometimes is not that good. Most of the time, habang pinapanood ko yung mga videos ko, I am surprised kasi may mga nabibigay din pala akong mga value that can help other people's lives. Our human beauty is expressed in the way we move and express ourselves, and video enables me to perceive this beauty in a way that I couldn't in a mirror or in selfies. While they are often hidden from us in real life, the traits that people genuinely appreciate about us are so easily caught on camera. I get a front row seat to snippets of my life through these videos, which are in addition to that creative act. I get to see myself and my life through the eyes of someone else when I watch my videos. And this perspective has helped me appreciate myself and my life more deeply. As a result, it has taught me to look for the goodness and value within myself because I have evidence that exists. Filming videos have changed the way I see my life and the world. Therefore, even if few people see them, it's always 100% worth it. The very first time I shoot a video is that gamit ko ang aking Android phone. Nasa mga 2 MP yung front cam and then 5 MP yung back cam nun. Very, very low resolution siya, guys. Yun ang ginamit ko during my first travel vlog nung nandun pa ako sa Cebu. So, nag-vlog ako during my first climb sa Dalaget. And then, after nun is, hindi ko siya in-upload agad kasi nga nagdadalawang isip pa ako. And then after mga ilang months, like mga 2 months yata ang nakalipas after that travel, tsaka ko pa siya na-upload. And nagsisi ako guys, I should have uploaded it earlier. But as I continued making videos, the process became more involved, requiring me more in-depth research, shot list, and scene composition in pre-production, as well as more complex editing, such as color grading and sound design in post-production. But because I'm a nerd and enjoy learning new things, I didn't stop there. I continue to study social media and digital marketing. Sa panahon natin ngayon, everyone needs video, lalo na when it comes to business. But not many people know how to make them. Hindi ko pa siya maintindihan before, but by stressing over making my hilarious little videos and getting 1% better every day and in every upload, I was cultivating a tremendously in-demand skill set today. What I've discovered from experience is that there is such tremendous demand for video production and content development that if you know how to generate decent videos, people will just approach you and pay you without even trying. So I've been paid to make online course video from my Upwork client. I was paid to be a YouTube manager and a video editor in a law firm industry na hindi ko in-expect na magiging katrabaho ko yung mga attorneys, mga ganon. Kasi ang layo-layo sa course ko na IT, di ba? And also, nagbibigay din ako ng advice sa mga small businesses in my online community when it comes to digital marketing, YouTube marketing, and also nagbibigay din ako ng mga video editing lesson for my family and friends. Through affiliate marketing, I was able to monetize my content and gain digital knowledge that I had never thought about it. Additionally, creating YouTube videos help you build abilities that may be used in other high-paying industries. Growing up, I had no idea what I wanted to achieve in my life. When my teacher in high school asked me what I'd be then, 10 years from now, I really don't know what to answer. However, from my experience with YouTube and my drive to learn more about the platform, I ended up becoming so interested in digital marketing that I decided to pursue a freelancing career. I know I like stories, writing, drawing, and connecting with people, which led me landing as a video strategist. And every day, I'm amazed how much crossover there is between my freelancing career and YouTube. I feel so lucky that I get to have a freelancing career as a full-time mom and at the same time, doing a side hustle on YouTube. Malaking bagay to guys, lalong-lalo na nasa bahay lang ako and nakakatulong ako sa aking husband financially. And I'm equally passionate about both of them and I really don't think that I would have stumbled upon my dream career if it wasn't for YouTube. I've been itching to start something for a while and you may recognize the feeling. I'm referring to the unshakable desire to become a YouTuber. Unfortunately, most people ignore that feeling out of fear that they'll try and fail. However, the entire point of this video is that I firmly believe that your success on YouTube is not measured by going viral, but how you develop your self-esteem, your self-growth, and have the right mindset to achieve greatness beyond YouTube. It's an experience where you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. I know that at the end of my video, I always recommend you na panoorin pa ang aking ibang mga videos para tataas yung watch time sa aking channel and para magustuhan ni YouTube yung aking channel and so that YouTube will love me. But at this time, hindi ko yan gagawin. Meron lang akong isang favor na ipapagawa sa'yo. If you enjoyed in today's video, all I ask in return is that start a YouTube channel kung hindi ka pa nagsimula and you go make your own video now. Kung nakagawa ka ng video dahil na-inspire ka sa video na ito, don't forget to tag me at Rose Gomera. I'm excited about what you can share with the world. I hope to see you guys in my next upload. Until then, this is Rose. Bye.